Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I just got home from work and I received this parcel from Dinosaurs. My address is on there, that's why I'm covering it. But I know what it is. I already have it opened. I don't know why we do this. I don't know why they do this. But anyway, we have some Haolonggood dinosaurs to take a look at. Alright. First we got the Pachyrhinosaurus. I got the green one from Haolonggood. Next we have this feels like there's literally nothing in here, but it is the Concavenator. I got the yellow one. Next up we got the Ouranosaurus. I got the green one. And finally, but definitely not least, I got I think this is from last year or this year, I don't remember, but anyway, it's the Haolonggood Majungasaurus. I got that one. So this is not in the package, so I'm gonna take it out and take a quick look at it. Here goes the box. Box. More stuff for me to burn. And here he is, the male Majungasaurus. And right off the bat, I love it. Absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. Even the wet, glossy look to it. Put you right there, and it stands. Actually, I'm gonna do the Concavenator next to see if this actually stands or not. Concavenator is next. Here is the Concavenator, and very brightly colored, and it does stand. So that is pretty cool. I love Concavenators. I think they're very unique, and even has feathering right there. So that's pretty cool. We got 2 theropods and 2 herbivores. So let's take a look at the Pachyrhinosaurus. Another favorite ceratopsian of mine. I don't think I have a Pachyrhinosaurus. No, I do. This will be my second Pachyrhinosaurus. Ah, yes. The Haolonggood. Look at this amazing sculpt and just amazing coloration. This is definitely one of my favorite Pachyrhinosauruses that I own in my collection. Wow. I will definitely be reviewing this guy first. From right here. And finally we have the Ouranosaurus. I just cannot believe that Pachyrhinosaurus looks that good in person, man. I mean, dang, that is beautiful. I mean, if there's one Pachyrhinosaurus figure that I would recommend getting, it is definitely the Haolonggood one. Dang, I would like to get some more of these figures, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Only time will tell, but I definitely would like to get some more Ceratopsian from Haolonggood. And here's the Oranosaurus. This is actually my very first Oranosaurus figure that I own. This is the green Oranosaurus, and wow, it looks amazing. I love the coloration. It just looks phenomenal. Look at that beauty. Wow. Amazing. Amazing figures overall. Let me know what your favorite is in the comments below. Do you like the Concavenator? Do you like the Majungasaurus, Oranosaurus, or Pachyrhinosaurus? I gotta say, out of all these, it's definitely the Pachyrhinosaurus, and I think I found my new mascot for this channel. So stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys very soon with a video regarding my hiatus break. So I will see you guys soon. So take care, and as always, God bless you all, and peace be with you. Bye, guys.